Hey besties, let's tackle this LeetCode problem. First, read the problem carefully and try to understand what it is asking. It wants us to count interesting subarrays. Let's set up the basic function. We get the input array nums, modulo, and k. We initialize the count to 0 and also store the size of the nums array. Next, we will implement the logic to find and count the interesting subarrays. This code is a skeleton, okay? Don't freak out, the real stuff is coming. Right, period. Now comes the fun part, coding the algorithm. We can use prefix sums and a hash map for this. First, we create a prefix sum vector. We use this to store the cumulative count of elements where nums I %modulo == k. Next, we use a hash map, prefix sum frequency, to store the frequency of each prefix sum modulo. Finally, we iterate from the beginning to the end and find interesting subarrays using prefix sum frequency. Okay, Slay, let's refine this code to make it production ready. I added a comment block to explain the function's purpose. I also added comments explaining individual blocks of code. Always add good comments. Let's also consider edge cases, such as very large arrays and modulo values. This implementation already handles the case where the prefix sum becomes negative by adding modulo before taking the modulo again, ensuring a positive result.